Okay, good morning all of you my dear students. So today I am coming and represent a new topic, that is preposition. Okay, so let me know, like whenever we write a sentence like Rima is standing beside me. So here where is Rima is standing? Rima is standing beside me. So here the word beside, it gives the explanation, whole explanation, where is Rima standing. So the first of all we have to know the definition of preposition. The definition is very simple. Preposition is a word that shows relationship of noun and pronoun with the other parts of the sentence. Okay, so here I can give you an example, then you will understand clearly. Here Nikita is standing against the wall. Okay, look at this sentence, student. So Nikita is standing against the wall. So where is Nikita standing? Nikita is standing against the wall. So here this word against, it tells about the connection of noun with the other parts of the sentence. How Nikita is standing? Nikita is standing against the wall. So here I again repeat the definition of preposition. A preposition is a word that shows relationship of noun and pronoun with the other parts of the sentence. It always plays before noun and pronoun. So the thing is that again we classify the preposition into different type, like it shows the places, it shows the times, it shows the direction. So different prepositions show different thing. The first one is preposition of place, and the second one is preposition of time, and the third one is preposition of direction. Let me discuss the first one. Here I am writing the first one is preposition of place, and the second one is preposition of time, and the third one is preposition of direction. Okay. So as we read, like when we write a sentence, we always use at, in, on, under, beside, among. Okay, so these are some examples of preposition. So these examples, this word categorized into three form, like preposition of place, preposition of time, and preposition of direction. Coming to the first one, preposition of place. So preposition of place, what it plays before noun and pronoun something on someone that tell us like the person, the thing belongs to which place. Okay, it tells about something or someone place, that is called preposition of place. So again I am before that I gave one example, Nikita is standing against the wall. Okay, so where is Nikita standing? I want to know the place. Where is the Nikita is standing? Nikita is standing against the wall. So here against is what? Preposition of place. Okay, it it tells us where is Nikita is standing. And the next one is preposition of time. It tells about the time. Okay, time relationship with the noun or pronoun with the other parts of the sentence. So here like preposition that shows when the things are happen. Okay, the preposition which shows when the things are happen are called preposition of time. Okay, just like I am giving an example. Example are preposition of time. Example preposition at, on, in. These are some preposition. Okay, that denotes preposition of time. Like example, Ram will visit my house at 10 o'clock. Ram will visit my house at 10 o'clock. Here I am writing an example. Let me erase this. After that I will write the example. Here Ram will reach my place at 10 o'clock or like 10 a.m. Okay. So here Ram will reach my place at 10 o'clock. So here Ram is noun. Okay. So this one is verb. Where like at which time Ram will reach my home? At 10 o'clock. So here at is preposition of time, and it plays before the noun and pronoun, and it shows the relationship of noun with the other parts of the sentence. This is very simple. You just know like which one is preposition of time, which one is preposition of place, and which one is preposition of direction. According to that, you have to stick some rules. You have to follow some rules of grammatical rules. As we know, like grammar, we have to follow the grammatical rules. Then we can simply identify the preposition, and we can put also perfect and what? Suitable preposition whenever we will do fill in the blanks, any kind of missing sentence and all. Okay. And the next one is, the last one is preposition of direction. Preposition of direction are same as the like preposition. Preposition of direction, it tells the direction of an action. Okay. It tells us the direction of an action. I am giving you an example. Sita goes towards east. So look at this sentence, Sita goes towards the east. Where Sita is going? Sita is going towards the east. So here towards is the preposition of direction, and it tells about where Sita is going. Sita goes towards the east. And here we like clarify about that. It is the preposition of direction. So there are like lots of examples are there, towards, backwards, forwards. Okay. So these are some examples of direction. Okay. So the next class I will give you some examples of preposition, and we will do the worksheet, and any doubt you can clarify in the next class. Thank you so much. Okay, so previous class we discussed about what is preposition and the types of preposition. As we discuss about the preposition and the definition of preposition, what is preposition? Simply it shows the relationship of noun and pronoun with the other parts of the sentence, and it shows position with the direction like up, down, at, in, and we learn about preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of direction. I gave you some examples. So let us move to some exercise. Here I am writing some question we will discuss. Okay, so the first question is, she learned Russia dash the age of 45. So here is the question, she learned Russia dash the age of 45. So who can answer the question? Yes? Yes. So she learned Russia at the age of 45. Okay. So the correct answer will be, the correct answer is at. She learned Russia at the age of 45. So here at is preposition, and it tells about the time. Okay. The time which like she learned, this person which learned Russia where like when at the age of 45. Okay. So this one is preposition, this one is suitable preposition for the sentence, and it represents what? Preposition of time. Okay. So moving to the next example, I will show you the picture dash place. I will show you the picture dash place. Okay, who can tell me the answer? Yes. Okay. So I will show you the picture on the place. Okay. I will here on again. It's so. Okay. So here, okay, so on and off, you have two option, on or off. Okay, so think wisely. Okay, I will show you the picture, dash the place. I will show you the picture of the place. Here off is also what? It is a preposition of place. Okay, so the next example, a university is where you stay, dash. A university is where you study, dash a degree. Okay, so university is where you study, dash a degree. So the answer will be a university is where you study for a degree. Okay, so here is again this one for is what? Preposition of place. Okay, coming to the next example, there is a good restaurant, dash the end of the street. Okay, look at the example. This is a very good example. So here there is a good restaurant, dash the end of the street. So the answer will be, there is a good restaurant at the end of the street. Again, at denotes what? Preposition of place, and it tells about where the restaurant is situated, and the restaurant is situated at the end of the street. Okay, clear? So coming to the next example, I took a plane, dash Munich to Rome. Okay, I took a plane, dash Munich to Rome. So here the answer will be what? From. I took a plane from Munich to Rome. It tells about the direction, from where to where, from Munich to Rome, or from Delhi to Mumbai, or what? From Munich to Rome. So here from, it denotes the preposition of direction. Okay, coming to the next example, my parents got married, dash the 90s. Okay, who can tell me the answer? My parents got married, dash the 90s. Okay, this one is, I know this one is little bit confused. You are confused about whether you will put in, on or at. Like at, you cannot put at, because here is, it is not defined like which month, which date. We cannot put at here. Okay, we can put my parents got married in the 90s. Okay, so here also in denote the preposition of time. It shows the times where in 90s. Okay, so if it will shows that my parents got married dash November, like I am giving you example, November 15, 1997. So here the perfect month, perfect date and perfect year is mentioned. If it will mention here, then you can put at. But here it's only mentioned in 90s. We don't know, like this is not definite time. So we can put in. Okay. So the last example is dash the end of next year I will be there. Okay, dash the end of next year I will be there. So the answer will be by. By the end of next year I will be there, or by the end of the next year our school will open, by the end of the next year this pandemic will gone. Okay, so here this also shows the time. This called preposition of time. So my dear student, hopefully whatever I taught you, you understand all things. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question and we will do further some exercise we will solve. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.